Hello, this is Billy Core from CarolinaCircleModel.com with part 2 of Putt-Putt Joins the Parade.
Hey, it's the toy store. Maybe they'll have something to help get those nails off the road.
Okay, we're going to go in here and get a magnet to get those nails off of that road.
Top of the morning to you, Putt-Putt. What can I help you with today?
Hi, Mrs. Pinto. Do you have anything that will help me pick up nails on the street?
Ford Pinto.
Why, Putt-Putt, I believe I've just the thing. The magnet you left here last week.
Great idea.
Now, why would
Thank
Putt-Putt leave a magnet at a toy store?
So this is where I left my magnet. Now I can cross Red Street.
Okay, let's try this again.
I think I have something to solve this problem.
Yes, you do.
Now it's safe to drive.
Okay, now I got that taken care of.
Hi there. What can I do for you today?
I have some groceries for you.
Yo, Putt, thanks for the groceries. Here's a coin for a super delivery guy.
Thanks.
Got enough money for a paint job, but now I always like to do both the paint job and the car wash, so
Salutations.
we'll do some
Can I
more
be
work.
of some help to you?
I would like to mow your lawn.
I would be pleased to have you mow my lawn for me.
And here we go again.
I finished mowing.
Merci, little car. Here, this coin is for you.
Thanks.
And it's 4 coins now, we just need one more. I don't know why I just did that.
Now I can cross Green Street. Look at all these birds. They're blocking the road. How am I going to get through?
You can either get bird seed at the grocery store, or you can just simply do this.
Now I can keep on driving.
Can I help you?
I would like to mow your lawn.
Sure, Putt-Putt. My lawn could use a trim.
And, we'll just be thankful we only have to do this one more time. And that's all the lawn
I
mowing in this
finished the
game.
job.
Gee, that's swell, Putt-Putt. Here, have a coin.
Thanks, Clarence. Now I can cross.
Okay, now we're gonna head to the paint shop.
Sure would be fun to get a new paint job.
Thank you kindly. Now, how about putting another coin in the slot, cowpoke? That's two, buckaroo. Now you need to put in one last coin. Why, thanks, Sonny. Now you can drive on through.
Oh boy, here I go.
This is a feature that is in just about every Putt-Putt game except for Putt-Putt Goes to the
blue,
Moon.
just like the sky.
It's the only game that doesn't have this.
Warm and toasty.
Yeah, then that glitched a little bit right there.
Looks like you're all done. Here, have a look, little buckaroo.
Wow, what a pretty color. That's the most fun I had all day.
Because the rest of the day has just been...
I wonder if Smokey would recognize me with my new paint job.
Okay, now let's go get a car wash. Even though in real life that would probably wash
It's
up
the
all the
Car
paint.
Car Wash. Wonder if I have enough coins to take a shower.
Put one more coin in the slot, please. Thank you. You may now drive through.
Here goes nothing. I never had a car wash before. Yes. Ah, that feels great.
It's the weirdest looking car wash I've ever seen. I guess this is wax.
I'm not so sure about this.
Whoa.
Wow, that wasn't so bad after all. Now that I'm all clean, I still have to find a puppy and a balloon.
Okay, I don't know why I just did that. Okay, we're gonna go get some gas now.
I think I need some gas. I'm starved.
I think this is the only Putt-Putt game that uses the gasoline like this. Okay, now we're gonna go get the
Says
puppy.
Great today.
Yes, it does.
Now I can cross. Sounds like there's a puppy in there. He looks scared.
Okay, this is the very first appearance of Pep.
Would you like to be my pet in the parade? I'll call you Pep.
Well, I would have named him Bob Barker or something, but that'll work. Okay, let's
Great.
call it a day
Now
on this
I just
part.
have to find a balloon and I'll be ready for the parade.